welcome back. So, updates. Slowly but surely getting back into the swing of it. Been busy on scales and liners. So, gotta say huge thanks to everybody for bearing with me over the last couple of months. Especially Patreons. I'm going to be doing so as much as I possibly can to catch up. Thanks for your patience. Making blades, again, customers, thanks for your patience. I have here some desert ironwood and micarta to do a bolster for the next job. I slowly just get through one at a time, which is a kukri for gav. This morning I've been busy on that grind, on that grind. Sick. Where's the vet for this sick puppy? That's what I want to know. Oh. So, next job, degrease and doing the maker's mark there. You can just imagine the pin work on areas such as this. So there's that one. Not ordinary stuff, is it? There's one for Ralph, which is a Leuku, which was bog oak. So bog oak, and he wanted thick green liners, so that will go there. And then Mark, a prepper knife, and that was desert ironwood and black G10. But as I say, slowly but surely, I thought, yeah, why not? Does it cut? Yes. That's that. And whilst I was at it, I've been a swing of, got some of that. Just been making it all efficient